Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Ronald Feinman. I've been a faculty member in history and political science at Florida Atlantic University since 1989. I'm the author of 2 books on the presidency, and I teach the U.S. presidency course right this term in Boca for FAU. All right, I'm going to speak on November 10th on a very outstanding topic, Abraham Lincoln and the 5 former presidents who were still alive at the time of the Civil War. These were Martin Van Buren, John Tyler, Millard Fillmore, Franklin Pierce, and James Buchanan. And the whole crisis of the Civil War is a fascinating topic, and the whole interaction of these 5 former presidents with President Abraham Lincoln is certainly worth paying attention to. And it also reminds us that there's been 4 other times when we've had 5 former presidents of the United States. All right, and those are 1993, 1994, 2001 to 2004, 2017 to 2018, and presently 2021 to this moment. And I think you will find this lecture really fascinating, and it has a PowerPoint to go with it. And I hope you all enjoy it greatly. Thank you so much.